I'm doing this short video to announce one thing and to also show you my old craft room before I moved. So this is going to be a short video and I don't know when it's coming out. I don't know when this video is going to be coming out. It might be coming out on a day that my usual video comes out in. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. I've got traffic. Yeah, I don't know when this video is going to be coming out, but if it's coming out on a day I usually do a video, then my normal video will be coming out later. So this is just a short video to first of all show you my old what my old craft room looked like, and to also announce that on between the 1st of December and the 12th of December, I'm hosting a collaboration called the 12 Days of Christmas. It is on the back of, I don't know if you've seen the video, but Lula from Nerd Goblin Art, Karen from The Dragon's Cave, and Gert from Gert's Creations, I think that's right. Yes, I think that's right. They're all hosting a challenge to do 13 days of Halloween. So basically, you either get 13 different moulds or makes, and you do it over the 13 days, or you can do one big project over the 13 days. So I thought, why not do another challenge for Christmas? So this is a video basically announcing the 12 Days of Christmas one. The rules are very simple. It has to be Christmassy. You don't necessarily need to do the whole 12 days, but if you do, that's absolutely fine. You can do 12 different moulds, or you can do one big project as well, and you need to add the playlist to your description so that everybody can follow along. So yeah, that's what I wanted to announce, and now I'm going to show you my old craft room. I will show you my new one, but at the moment it's in a temporary place. I'm not ready to show it yet because it's not quite ready, but when it is, I will definitely show you my new one. But right now, I'll show you my old one, so on to the video. Right guys, this is my old craft studio. So we'll start over here. The baskets aren't as neatly packed as I would like, but that's all got all my mica powders in it. That's got all of my alcohol inks and my dyes in it. This is all the spare resin I've got, spare projects that I can do things with. This has got all my rhinestones in it. I don't have a lot in there right now, but I will be adding to my collection. That's got all my cups in it. This is a basket that's just got odds and ends in it. I've got this foil kit and my Let's Resin mica powders in there. This basket wasn't originally here when I was working in here, but I have got to start tidying things up now. So all of these mica powders were originally on this unit, and so were those pigment pastes. This has just got spare project stuff that needs putting away in there. I didn't sort any of that out because I know I was going to be packing everything up soon, so that's just my need to sort out area. This is all of my paper that I'm going to be, I am using for my craft table. Again, this is just for a project later on, so that needs to go there. And this is where it all happens. All of the, I'll turn you this way actually. All of the projects that I've been making and all the videos This is just a little plate of goodies that I hope I can sell at the fair later on this year. I think you remember this from a video. I still need to give that to my cousin. There's my bin. And there's a load of resin in here. Some of them are empty. That eco powder bag is my new one. But yeah, I do keep anything, all of, well, the resin that I don't use, because you do get a little bit left over when it comes to the resin, and I've got a load of bottles to use there. I'm going to make pigment pastes out of all that at some point. This has got all my dried flowers. This is where I keep them all. This has got all like spare equipment, gloss, varnish, well, pretty much all sorts in here really. This is the all sorts basket. This has got things that I haven't, well, that don't really have a home yet. I've got clay, I've got these things, just odds and ends that I've not used properly yet. And I've also got my acrylic paint, I can't say that word, in there. Sorry about that guys, I had to pause the video. This has got all my packing material in it for any projects I want to like bag up at some point and sell. This has got all my jewellery stuff in it, all my butterfly clips and other things in there. This I have not used yet. I am going to use it in a project at some point, so I'm going to keep that a secret right now. Whew, God, I'm out of breath. So here we've got all of my brushes, silicone tools, my pens, my stirring sticks, all of the above, my sanding gear. Down here I've got these little drawers that have got like charms, ribbons and eyes and all sorts in them. And these babies are where I keep all my moulds. That keeps curling. That's annoying me. I'm going to make some proper... Oops. I'm going to make some proper signs for these. But yeah, these are where I keep all my moulds. I am going to need more eventually because some of these boxes are full up to brim. And this is my candle making kit that I did on one of my videos. And in here is my latest order for my new resin. In that, in this bag here, it's just got spare cups in that I haven't used yet. I'm glad I've got those actually because I'll be running out soon. And this chaos in here is my sticker box. It's got all my stickers in it. So yeah, that's my whole room, I think. And I've got this blue plastic down because I didn't want any resin getting on the floor. This is my in-laws' house, so they're going to be wanting to sell it soon. And this is the view I've got from my craft room. That's amazing, isn't it? can see the sea over there. The harbour is literally just down the road from there, so from here even. So yeah, that's the view I've got from my window, and I've loved every minute of looking out there. But it's time to move on now, unfortunately. But I will always remember this view. So yeah, that is my whole room. It's only a small room, but you know, it's oh yeah, there's a TV here as well. But I never used that because it doesn't have we have a fire stick on the other one. That one doesn't have that. But yeah, this is my whole room. Oh, that basket up there, I've not shown you. That's got my Intoresin moulds and my handmade moulds in it. So my dragon, my Intoresin moulds, all of that. And these are just projects that I need to just finish off. Look how cute that dragon is. Hello. Look at those eyes. So, yeah, that is my whole room.